Have you ever wondered how a simple potato turns into crispy fries or fluffy mashed potatoes? It's a fascinating process that involves a lot more than you might think. From the moment these humble tubers are harvested, they embark on an incredible journey that transforms them into the delicious potato products we all love. This journey begins at a potato processing factory, a place where technology and tradition meet to create magic. The factory is a bustling hub of activity, with trucks arriving and departing, each carrying a precious cargo of freshly harvested potatoes. Imagine giant trucks arriving at the factory, their cargo holds overflowing with freshly harvested potatoes. These trucks have traveled from farms far and wide, bringing with them the fruits of months of hard work and dedication by farmers. As the trucks back up to enormous pits, they release their load, tons and tons of potatoes. It's a sight to behold, as the potatoes tumble out in a cascade, ready to begin their transformation. The journey from field to factory is complete, and the real transformation is about to begin. The potatoes are now in the capable hands of the factory workers, and the sophisticated machinery that will turn them into something truly special. These potatoes are about to embark on a wild ride through a network of conveyors, machines, and skilled workers. Each step in this process is meticulously planned and executed to ensure that the potatoes are cleaned, prepared, and transformed to perfection. The first step is cleaning. The potatoes are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt and debris. Then, they are peeled and sliced with precision. This is where the magic really starts to happen, as the potatoes begin to take on the forms that we recognize: slices for fries, chunks for mashed potatoes, and more. After the initial preparation, the potatoes move through various stages of processing. They might be blanched, fried, or even frozen, depending on the final product. Each stage is carefully monitored to ensure quality and consistency. Finally, the finished products are packed and ready to be shipped to stores and restaurants, where they will be enjoyed by people all over the world. So buckle up as we follow the potatoes' path from the pit to your plate. The first stop on our potatoes adventure is the cleaning station. Remember those giant pits filled with potatoes? Well, they're not exactly sparkling clean. To get rid of all the dirt, rocks, and debris picked up along the way, the potatoes get a thorough bath. Powerful water jets blast away the dirt, giving the potatoes a much-needed scrub. Then they take a spin in giant drum cleaners. These rotating drums gently tumble the potatoes, removing any remaining dirt and debris. Now our spuds are squeaky clean and ready for the next step. Not all potatoes are created equal, at least not when it comes to processing. In the world of potato processing, precision is key. Some potatoes are too big, some are too small, and some might have blemishes or imperfections. Each potato is unique, and not all of them meet the stringent standards required for high-quality products. That's where the sorting and grading process comes in. This sophisticated system ensures that only the best potatoes make it through to the next stage. This is where the factory gets a little bit picky. The process involves both advanced technology and human expertise to ensure the highest quality. Optical sensors scan the potatoes, looking for those that are the perfect size and shape for processing. These sensors are incredibly precise, detecting even the smallest imperfections that might not be visible to the human eye. Skilled workers also lend a hand, manually inspecting the potatoes and removing any that don't make the cut. Their experience and keen eyes are invaluable in this process, ensuring that no subpar potato slips through. Only the best potatoes will do for the next stage of the journey. These selected potatoes are now ready to be transformed into delicious products, whether it's crispy fries, smooth mashed potatoes, or any other delightful potato-based food. The journey of a potato from the field to your plate is a meticulous one, ensuring that every bite you take is of the highest quality. So next time you enjoy a potato dish, remember the careful sorting and grading that went into selecting the best potatoes just for you. Now that we've got our batch of perfectly sorted potatoes, it's time to say goodbye to those rough exteriors. The peeling process is next, and it's quite a sight to behold. The potatoes are loaded into large rotating drums lined with abrasive surfaces. As the drums spin, brushes or abrasive peelers gently rub against the potatoes, removing the skin quickly and efficiently. The removed skins are whisked away, and our spuds emerge smooth and ready for the next transformation. From spud to shape, slicing and dicing, here's where things start to get really interesting. The peeled potatoes are now ready to be cut into the shapes we know and love. French fries, wedges, chips, you name it. Automated cutting machines slice and dice the potatoes with incredible speed and precision. Want perfectly uniform French fries? No problem. Need those classic crinkle-cut chips? Easy peasy. This stage is all about transforming those smooth potatoes into the perfect shapes for our favorite snacks and side dishes. Before our potato shapes are ready for the fryer or other cooking methods, they take a quick dip in a hot water bath. This process, called blanching, helps to maintain the potato's color, texture, and flavor. The blanching process also helps to remove excess starch, which can make the potatoes gummy or sticky. Once blanched, the potatoes are quickly cooled to stop the cooking process. Now, they're prepped and primed for their final transformation. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Depending on the desired final product, the potatoes now go through different processes. For French fries and chips, it's time for a dip in hot oil. The frying process gives them that irresistible golden color and satisfying crunch. For mashed potatoes, the blanched potatoes are cooked further and then mashed into a smooth and creamy delight. Other potato products like hash browns or tater tots have their own unique cooking processes. It's amazing to see how a simple potato can be transformed into so many different forms. Once the potatoes have reached their final form, they need to be packaged and preserved to maintain their freshness and quality. Many potato products are flash frozen immediately after cooking to lock in their flavor and texture. Then, they're packaged in airtight bags or containers to prevent freezer burn and maintain their deliciousness. From there, they're whisked away to cold storage, ready to be shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and kitchens everywhere. Before our potato products leave the factory, they undergo rigorous quality control checks. This is a crucial step in ensuring that every product that reaches our customers meets the highest standards of excellence. Our dedicated team of quality control experts meticulously examines each batch of potatoes, leaving no stone unturned in their quest for perfection. Experts inspect the products for size, shape, color, and overall appearance. They use precise instruments and keen observation skills to ensure that each potato meets our stringent criteria. This process involves measuring the dimensions of the potatoes, checking for any blemishes or imperfections, and ensuring that the color is just right. It's a meticulous process that guarantees only the best potatoes make it through. They also conduct taste tests to ensure that the flavor is up to par. Our food technologists and quality control teams sample the potatoes to make sure they have the perfect taste and texture. This involves a series of taste tests where the potatoes are evaluated for their flavor profile, crunchiness, and overall mouthfeel. It's a critical step that ensures our products not only look good but taste amazing too. Only the highest quality products earn the right to be shipped out. Once the potatoes pass all the rigorous tests, they are approved for shipment. This means they have met all our quality standards and are ready to be enjoyed by our customers. The approved batches are carefully selected and prepared for the next stage of their journey. Large refrigerated trucks transport the packaged potato products to distribution centers and then onto their final destinations. These trucks are specially designed to maintain the freshness and quality of the potatoes during transit. The logistics team ensures that the products are delivered efficiently and on time, so they arrive in perfect condition. Thanks to the careful processing and preservation techniques, we can enjoy fresh, delicious potato products anytime, anywhere. Our advanced preservation methods lock in the freshness and flavor of the potatoes, ensuring they stay delicious from the factory to your table. This involves state-of-the-art technology and meticulous handling by our skilled workers. So the next time you bite into a crispy fry or savor a spoonful of mashed potatoes, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of the potato from the farm to your fork. It's a journey that involves a lot of hard work, dedication, and a commitment to quality. From the fields where the potatoes are grown to the factory where they are processed and finally to your plate, every step is carefully managed to ensure you get the best possible product.